If you want to pause your Calendly subscription or stop being charged temporarily, this video will walk you through the quickest way to do it. I'm going to show you exactly where to go inside Calendly, how to find the billing controls, and what to look for if you see a cancel or downgrade option. This is a simple process, but it's important to know the difference between canceling a paid plan and switching to the free plan, especially if you just want to pause payments for now. If this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more clear step-by-step software guides like this one. Let's get into it. First, log into your Calendly account using your normal email and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, look to the top corner of the screen and click your profile picture. This is where Calendly keeps account and admin options, so it's the first place you want to check. After you click your profile picture, a menu should appear. From that menu, go to Admin Center. This is the area where billing, team settings, and account management tools are usually located. If you manage a team account, this is especially important because the billing controls may be different from a personal plan. Once you're in the admin center, look for billing and click it. This section shows your current plan details, payment information, and subscription status. If your account is on a paid subscription, you should see an option to cancel or downgrade the plan. Depending on your account type and current billing cycle, the wording may vary slightly, but the idea is the same. If you want to completely stop the paid subscription, click the cancel option and follow the prompts on screen. Calendly may ask you to confirm your decision, select a reason, or review what happens when the plan ends. Make sure you read each step carefully before confirming. If your goal is not to fully cancel, but just to stop paying temporarily, then downgrading to the free plan is usually the better option. That way, your account can stay active without continuing the paid subscription. This is helpful if you still want access to your Calendly account and just don't need the premium features right now. After you click downgrade or cancel, Calendly will guide you through the final confirmation steps. Follow the prompts until the change is complete. Once that's done, your subscription status should update in the billing area, and you'll know whether your account has been cancelled or moved to the free plan. It's always a good idea to double check the billing page after finishing, just to make sure the change went through correctly, and that's really all there is to it. To pause a Calendly subscription, log in, click your profile picture, go to Admin Center, select Billing, and then choose either cancel or downgrade depending on what you need. If you want to stop payments temporarily, the free plan is usually the safest choice. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.